Let's randomize. Motive 3, purple, purple, green. Referees, are you ready? Red Alliance, are you ready? Blue Alliance, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Robots in motion. 21-865 lining up. Will they shoot?
Why'd you guys go that way?
23-435 definitely landing 3 in there. Blue Alliance moving ahead. Droid Squad has presently filled up Blue Alliance classifier. Royal Robotics clearing the classifier or attempting to win a tournament.
Stop it.
And firing at the headrest. They clear the artifact of the first spike mark. Stop. Blue Alliance pulling ahead and not.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
Teleop.
3, 2, 1.
Robot in motion. 23-435. Shooting landing a couple.
Or do you?
21-865. Droid Squad landing 3 more for blue.
Yep, gate.
Royal Robotics coming back. Are they going to get assist from the human player? They've got 3 loaded in. Are they looking to shoot? Droid Squad has 3, fire 3, lands all 3. That is beautiful shooting, folks. Red Alliance, meanwhile, responding 23-435 shooting, 21-865 as well.
Yep, gate.
Human player assisting 21-865 robot. They're getting into position, getting a little jostle, but firing, landing. And
There's some over there also.
the Garbodic droid clearing the red classifier. Pulling slightly ahead. 21-865.
Watch out.
Playing defense on the Royal Robotics. Artifacts coming thick and fast. 4 staying even. I see a part on the field. There is
Thank you.
white
Far, yep.
artifact or piece of robot there.
Yep, there's a bunch over here.
Players playing defense. The blue robots colliding with each other a little bit. The red robots slightly more coordinated. They are
Gate.
Field resetters. Red classifiers cleared. Blue classifiers cleared.
Yep, score.
Blue classifier filled up again. Droid Squad landing 2.
About 30 seconds.
Contact.
Yep, far.
21-865 lining up to shoot again.
Gate.
Nicely done.
Go.
Droid meanwhile clearing the red classifier. 3 more coming back in.
Yep.
And we've got 2 more for blue. Red Alliance pulling ahead here. The red classifier looking very full, being cleared.
Yeah, we got it.
We're down to the last 12-15 seconds.
And there's some over here. Shoot him.
We're down to the last 5 seconds. Red Alliance gets at least 2 partial parts.
What is that?
The Royal Robotics caught out there. Droid Squad